maligayang pagtatibo dito sa Las Casas Filipinas De Acuzar.
Passes breathing out to life here at Las Casas Filipinas De Acuzar. This place gives you a time-traveling experience as you explore the Philippine history imprinted on its structures. So what are you waiting for? Join this adventure with us!
Just 2.5 hours away from Manila, Las Casas Filipinas offers you so much awestruck, beautiful view that will definitely make your day pretty memorable.
Las Casas Filipinas De Acuzar, or Jose Jerry Acuzar's collection of Spanish Filipino houses and settlement showcases our heritage and culture during the 18th century. Las Casas Filipinas De Acuzar is a sprawling property over 400 hectares in Bagac, Bataan, Philippines.
This site was conceptualized by Mr. Jerry Acuzar, a businessman and developer whose passion for historical architecture had prompted him to build a site to preserve and celebrate the Philippine Spanish heritage.
Each of the Spanish Filipino houses were dismantled brick by brick, restored and recreated, and transported to the Bagac site. For the missing parts, the Las Casas craftsmen fabricated all of those to maintain its original structure.
Some of these mansions are replicas, but most are originals collected from various provinces of the Philippines. These casas, the Spanish word for houses, were carefully dismantled to preserve their antiquity. Then, following a meticulous process, each brick, tile, plank, door and window made a long journey to Bagac, Bataan, where they were reassembled to create what is now known as Las Casas Filipinas De Acuzar.
Where's the fun in learning when all you had to do is to remember significant events, especially when it comes to who is who? Las Casas provides both education and a good setting for photoshoot. Savor the vintageness with your matching outfit or go run to the beach for a good Instagram photo.
Touring Las Casas Filipinas De Acuzar takes you back to 18th century Philippines, a period both fascinating and complicated, marked by extreme class systems, distorted religious ideologies, and a social awakening that led to the birth of a new and independent nation, the Philippines. If Las Casas Filipinas De Acuzar is your next stop, remember to seize the experience with your family and friends. At the same time, a great opportunity to learn by our amazing history